Hi everyone, we've got 2014 Berlingo. This is the automatic one. The only problem with it starts, brakes, stops and all that, but it doesn't drive. It had a replacement clutch, but I think they haven't completed the teaching process. I don't think they programmed the clutch. It was okay for 2 days after doing the clutch and then it stopped working basically, so I don't think the clutch was the problem with the car. Anyway, we're gonna diagnose it first. Put the ignition on. Right, it's on 86,000. We're gonna go again, top down. Scan. Right, found the right car, surprisingly. Yeah. Okay. The faults that we've got. I wouldn't worry about the BSI. BSI, that's just something unimportant. Radio, wouldn't worry about that. What is of interest to me now is what we got here. Gearbox initialization incomplete or not performed. Clutch initialization incomplete or not performed, and gear selection fault. Right, I'll show you what happens. You can clear the codes. In progressing. Okay. Right, there's no faults on the gearbox now, which is weird because normally there are. If I go into gearbox, right, if I read the fault codes now, no trouble codes, yeah, okay. And we need to program the gearbox basically. So if I go special functions, replacement parts, gearbox programming, we would have to go into gearbox programming. Okay. Failed of the gearbox actuator programming. Right, okay. Have a look at this now. If we go into actuation test, opening of the clutch, okay, you can hear the clutch going, operation done, so that's fine. Closing of the clutch, operation done, so the clutch is okay. Gearbox actuator, gear 1, operation done. It has to be ignition on but not switched on. Engaging gear 2, okay, operation done. Gear 3, activation not possible. Gear 4, operation done. Normally it didn't do it. Normally it was fifth. Fifth and sixth normally. Seems like it's the third, fifth and sixth. We've done gearbox oil change on this. because we weren't sure what gearbox oil was used previously. That didn't solve it. It helped with depressurization and all that, because that didn't complete before and it did this time. But we haven't gone any further. So now I'm going to take the side of the gearbox off to see if there's anything loose in there, because apparently that's a common thing on it. But that's going to be the next episode, so stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.